Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix a PayPal debit card not working issue. This can happen for different reasons like insufficient funds, incorrect PIN, or security blocks from PayPal or your bank. First, make sure your PayPal balance has enough money or that you've linked a valid funding source, like a bank account. Next, double-check that your card is active and not expired by looking at the expiration date. If you're entering your PIN, make sure it's correct, and if you've forgotten it, reset it through your PayPal account. Sometimes transactions can fail if you're trying to use the card internationally or online, where restrictions apply, so confirm that your card is enabled for those types of payments. Also, check your PayPal account for any limitations in the Resolution Center, because restrictions can block debit card use. If your card was recently issued, activate it before trying to use it. And if none of these steps work, call PayPal customer service to see if there are holds, technical issues, or security flags on your card. And that's it. That's how you fix a PayPal debit card not working issue. Subscribe the channel for more videos.